Hi, here's one important thing I need to show you, and that is how to split your ZeroPhone into parts to, for example, access the SD card. First of all, do not pull it apart like that, you might break things. Second thing, be aware of this antenna cable, be careful, and then just take it like this, and your goal is to split the two halves without also bending the pin header. So you basically, if you aren't that sure of what you're doing, you can press the part a little bit like this and a little bit like this, or even slower. And now you can insert the SD card. Be aware of this cable, be careful, don't break it. And you can pull the SD card out if you want, you can replace it, you can insert a new one, all that good stuff. You can insert a new one back. And then you can just pull the antenna cable either through here, or if it's not long enough, you can pull it through here. This one is long enough. So now what I do is I position the pin header properly, and I put it back together. If you haven't, oh no, if you haven't soldered the pin header spacers, you might also want to look out for them. Otherwise, nice and flush.